the birthday gift. So is a 20,000 mAh power bank. So this is it. Has 12 months warranty. It's an ITEL product. It's an ITEL product. Please double tap, guys. Double tap to give me thumbs up. It's an ITEL product. So let's unbox this together. You're welcome, welcome, welcome. You're seeing my face for the first time. This is your girl Somi. You're welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a brief unboxing on this live. So just grab your seat and you can ask me questions on this because I've seen people that are using it and that was what made me to go for this product. So it's an ITEL product. So here it is, here it is, here it is. When is your birthday? Mine was okay. My birthday has passed. My birthday has passed. Happy birthday in arrears to you, okay? Happy belated birthday to you, my sister. Thank you so much. Please double tap on the screen to give me thumbs up if you're just joining, and please like this live, like the video. Yes, because I'm going to highlight it. So this is it. So let's open it together. Let's open it together. Let's open it together. Okay, the seal is broken. Oh my god. So oh god, I need to be showing you guys, Abby. I'm showing myself. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. So yeah, so this is it. It has a short cord. This is it. Okay. This is the cord. It's USB. It's not even type C. It's USB for charging the power bank. And this is it here. So this is it. Okay. This is it. So recently I've been facing challenges with charging my phone and all that. Yay! Finally, we are going to use. So this cord is for charging it. So I'm going to be using my. Okay, see, it has two ports. It has two ports. Outputs. That's where you can charge from, and it has inputs where you can charge the power bank. You can charge through either you use a type C charger, or you use a USB. That's why they put one USB cord here. So I'm going to be using my charger head to charge it. I'm so happy, and it has a touch. This is the power button. It has a touch. It has a touch since entering my eyes. Okay. So just and it's on, and you press it twice and it goes off again. So that is it. The input, it has two USB, or you use the brush cable, this type of cable, I don't know what it's called, and the type C cable, or anyone you use, the two, either type C or this type, to charge it. Then it has two space where you can plug in your phone to be charged. So that is all. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think.